Hi friends, I am Joel John, YouTube blogger, and in this video we are going to see the top 10 companies which had the maximum percentage hike in price, that's a share price of a unit equity share in Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. So with this alone you cannot take an investment decision. You have to see at least the past three uh, company balance sheet and also the financials. Then you have to see the graph of the share price movement and pick out the appropriate time and also the time at which they gave the dividends, bonus and all those, and the frequency of the same. So this is short about an analysis, and there are lots more, and I will be giving a lot more. First I will be covering the important terminologies. Without that you won't be able to understand the full details. After that I will be going on in depth about this fundamental and technical analysis in share market, and I will be creating a playlist for to talk about shares, and all the videos in which I talk about shares will be on that, and that will be on the end screen of this. And also you can click on my photo, go to my channel page, then on playlist, or select the share market related playlist, or you can go to my videos tab, scroll down and pick out. Okay, and also press the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and enable all notification, so that you will get an alert when I upload a new video. You will be on the preference list, and my videos will be on the preference list in your YouTube homepage, and you have a bell symbol there as well, right? If you click on that every day and check out all the channels which you are subscribed for, their video updates will be there. Okay, then getting into the topic, before I give this list I have to give you some idea about how I am going to give this list from the top performing to the 10th level. 1 to 10 order, I will be giving the names of the company, the group to which it belongs in BSE, the price, the starting price will be denoting the first day of February share price when the market start, and the closing price is something the last working, that's a stock exchange date, and the last price it was sold, and then percentage change is the percentage hike it has got from the starting date to the ending date, and the figures are as per internet search, so there may be some difference. So do your own research before taking a decision, and also, as I told, do a complete study about the company before you invest. For you now to understand about the groups in BSE, for the groups which are available on this 10 list alone, I will give a small intro, because without that this won't be, you would be thinking something, what this fellow is saying, group this, group that, group. Okay, so getting into the topic about the groups, A is highly trading shares and B is the second one. The differentiation is based on the volume of shares traded, and to say that these two have high liquidity, that is because many buyers and sellers are available. So when you prompt for a sales, it will be sold soon, and when you want to buy, you can buy it soon. That's the idea. Okay, then the second one will be T group. T group shares, they won't be allowed to do intraday trading. You can only take delivery. Intraday trading means you buy and sell the stock within a day. It's called as intraday. Delivery means you buy it, and the share will be credited to your demat account. Okay, every account details I will explain it on a different video. We won't be having that much of time for this. And the another one group will be X group. X group shares are allowed only to be traded on Bombay Stock Exchange. Those shares will be denoted as X group. In X group also there are subcategories which you will see on a later video, and all those videos will be added to the playlist once I upload those. Then we have the C category. C category means if a company fails to meet some of the standards which are given for being listed on BSE stock exchange. Not only that, even if they have a unsolved redress of an investor complaint, then also it will be listed on Z group, but after that they are solving it, they will be back to their normal groups. Okay, so it's not something highly fearable, but it depends from case to case and the company's initiative to solve the issue. So it's always, and again, so we can get into the list soon, because it will take a lot of time. So getting into the list, the first is Pmc Fincorp Limited, which is a Group X share. The started price was 49 paise and it closed at 1 rupee 38 paise, and the change percent is 181.63%. And the second is Orchid Pharma Limited, which is a Z Group share, and its started price was 333.9 and it closed at 229 rupees 40 paise, and the change percentage was 178.35%. And the third one was Majesco Limited, which is a Group A share, and the starting price was 40 rupees 20 paise, and the current and the closing price was 111 rupees 0.35 paise, and the change percent is 176.99. And the fourth one was Modi Rubber Limited, which is a Group T share, and the starting price was 56.90 paise, and the ending price was 157 rupees 0.50 paise, and the change percentage was 176.8%. And the fifth place was for DigiSpice Technologies Limited T Group share, which started at 37 rupees 45 paise, and the closing price was 103.50 paise, and the change percentage is 176.37%. And the sixth was Cyber Media India Limited, which is a B Group share, and the starting price was 5 rupees 82 paise, and the last was 16 rupees 5 paise, and the change percentage is 175.77%. And the seventh one was Magma Fincorp Limited, and the group, and it was listed on the Group A. The starting was 45.05 paise, and the closing price was 123 rupees. The starting price was 45 rupees 5 paise for Magma Fincorporation Limited, and the closing was 123 rupees, and the change percentage was 173.03%. And the eighth place is for Soma Textiles and Industries Limited, which is a Group T share, and the starting was 2 rupees 79 paise, and it ended at 7 rupees 50 paise, and the change percentage was 168.82%. The ninth was Gujarat Rafia Industries Limited. It's a T Group share, and the opening price was 27 rupees 80 paise, and the closing price was 72 rupees 95 paise, and the change percentage is 162.41%. And the 10th one was Hindustan Copper Limited, which is a Group A share. The starting was with at 59 rupees 95 paise, and the last one it ended at 157 rupees 25 paise, and the change percentage is 162.30 paise. So friends, this is to give a rough idea about how much percentage price changes are happening on the stock exchange. In share markets, to tell you shortly, the main profit will be through the deviation, that's through the hike in the share price, and the loss will be through the drop in share price. This is called as capital gains in case of profit and capital loss in case of the share price going down. Okay, and another one profit will be in the form of dividends. Dividends are like the certain amount of profit they share it with their beneficial owners. The person who takes delivery and owns the share are called as beneficial owners. For them, they will give this dividend amount, but it's completely to the sole decision of the board of the company whether to give dividend. Even a company can hold which gains profit may not give dividends based on their board decision. Similarly, bonus, and bonus is like when you hold one share, when the company grows much, they will give more shares to you, and the ratio and that will be like 1:1 ratio, 1:2 ratio, and any ratio will be there. Based on that, the number of shares will add in your account. That will give you huge, tremendous income, because when it's given as 1:1, when you have one share, they will add another one share to you. So if you had 2 shares, it will become 4, and if you had 10 shares, it's 20. If you have 100, it's 200, like that. So when the company announces bonus itself, all the people will start buying that share. So that also will give a hike on the share. Then once the bonus are added again, maybe to more people trying to sell out the shares once they get the bonus, it may come down a little bit, then it will go up. So like this, there are lots of benefits in the share market. So I'll be first covering the various terminologies and uploading the videos. I will also try to look at the top 10 gainers in Bombay Stock Exchange every month like this, and I will upload those videos. Stay tuned to my channel, share your valuable comments, press the thumbs up icon, and talk about these kinds of share related things to your friends, and make a good investment decision, and also learn to do a fundamental and technical analysis. Apart from that, if you are having excess of money, invest on shares. If you are planning for your immediate future needs or for a mandatory future need, better go with the fixed deposits or recurring deposits. And in case of endowment plans in insurance, only in some plans there will be money back. If you take only a pure life cover, you won't get the money back. So ensure that, and then you can also invest on insurance because it's comparatively less riskier. Then you can go for mutual funds if the company and the fund managers are good. So those kinds of idea also you can get only through channels, and you can search on net for everything. Everything is available on net, and when you get the information on net, also authenticate that it's a approved government shows or a reliable journal, or else it's a company's official website. Without that, if you if you get wrong information, even now when I am reading, I did some mistakes, right? And I also said the disclaimer. If there is any mistake, excuse me. And also similarly, they also will have some disclaimer. So please do a thorough check before making a huge investment decision. And if you are unable to do, go with mutual funds. And also you can try investing on debentures. On debentures also, you have to verify and validate the company. And in higher levels, you have to verify about their products, who are buying that, and their country sanctions, all those things. That's for huge amounts. So better go with mutual funds if you don't have time to think of it, or if you are going to invest your money for a very specific need. If you have excess of money and want to invest, please do invest on share markets. But for high investments, if you can spend a valuable time, always share markets is an ultimate source. Okay friends, it's time to say bye. It's your Joel John J signing off from you. Bye.